Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to work a center double decrease. So this is a decrease that takes 3 stitches, turns them into 1, and the center stitch is more prominent, is placed kind of on top of the others. So this is how to work this decrease. The first step is you're going to slip the first and second stitches together onto the right hand needle as though you are knitting 2 together, like so. The next step is to knit the third stitch, and the third step is to bring those 2 slipped stitches over that knitted stitch, and that turns 3 columns into 1, where the center, the second column, is in front of columns 1 and 2. And I'll show that to you now in English style knitting as well. So here we are. Step number 1, you're going to slip the first 2 stitches together as though you are knitting 2 together onto the right hand needle. That shifts their positioning so that that second stitch will rest on top of the other 2. The next step is to knit the third stitch from that cluster, like so. And then the third step is to insert your left hand needle into the 2 slipped stitches together and bring them over that third stitch, the one that you knitted, as though you were binding off. And that is the center double decrease. I especially love using it in V-neckline shaping. So in this V-neck, I was working in the round, and anytime I got to my center stitch, I would work that center double decrease, thereby subtracting 1 from this side of the work and 1 from that side of the work, and it looks really nice and crisp. It's a great decrease for something like this, and I also have used it in hats, where I want to create wedge decreases. So each one of these light pink lines actually has that center double decrease on it. So it's taking up a stitch from each side of the line whenever I work the decreases. And it looks really, again, nice and crisp and clean. It's one of my favorite double decreases. Happy knitting!